Hello everyone. In this video I want to answer this question that is from your practice exam, my summer exam from last year. First, I want to say this question will be either question 10, 11, or 12 from the previous exam, depending on which order you got the question. I did not cover this question when I went over the theoretical questions or the questions that didn't have any math because I think there's a little bit of of math in this question, even though it was a multiple choice question. Okay, so first you should read the question, right? Pause the video, make sure you're sure which question this is. Okay, the thing that we need to do here is I gave you a equation that was that for a profit maximizer, the MPL divided by PL should be equal to the MPK divided by PK. Okay, so this means that the marginal product of labor divided by the price of labor should be equal to the marginal product of capital divided by the price of capital. The left-hand side here, right, is by how much will output increase per dollar spent if I hire a new worker. The right-hand side is by how much output will increase if I spend one more dollar on a machine. Obviously, if I'm trying to maximize my profit as a profit maximizer, I would like to hire workers if my output increase faster per dollar spent than it does when I get new machine, right? So basically what I'm saying is whichever one of these two is bigger, that's what the firm would want to hire, more labor or more capital based on which one of these is higher. Now, obviously, you should understand that when the firm hires more workers, right, the MPL decreases. So if this side was bigger, but then the firm realized that and it starts hiring more workers and getting rid of some capital, well, MPL will go down, MPK will go up, and this equation will come closer to being equal. And the firm will keep doing that until they become equal. So the only thing we have to do here is verify, right, which one of these two sides of the equations are bigger. If the left-hand side is bigger, the firm should hire more workers. If the right-hand side is bigger, the firm should buy more capital. Okay, so the firm pays its worker for $22 an hour. That's PL. The firm pays one machine is $3,500. That's PK. Okay. The marginal product of labor is given in the sentence here. It's 3 units. So every hour I hire a worker for, we produce 3 more bicycle. And whenever we buy a new machine, the output increased by 550. That's MPK. I can take my calculator and I can calculate the left-hand side, 3 divided by 22. And I can calculate the right-hand side. Notice that I rounded here, but it really doesn't matter too much. What we try to verify here is just that there's not an equality, right? So as long as I don't have an equality, we're fine to proceed. So this firm should hire less worker and it should hire more units of capital. So it should stop hiring as many workers as it's hiring, and it should fire some workers and get a new machine. And that should be the answer that you get on your practice exam if you look at it, unless you have a different version of this question where the relationship is different, right? So just make sure you calculate that, and that should give you the right answer. The right-hand side was bigger, so we need to hire more machine. If the left-hand side was higher, we would need to hire more workers. That was the answer to this question.